Now this video is going to be an air filter replacement on a John Deere X320 lawn tractor. Now again, this is something I've never done before, but I believe this just come undone. Okay. And that comes out of there. And this is your air filter right here. That's it. This one doesn't look too bad, but we are replacing it. Okay. Now in this case, this is the replacement filter. I'm going to go over the top of it with a foam shield. All right, let me just get it on here, get it in place. And then we'll slip it on. Takes a little finagling to get the wrinkle out of this once you put it on, but I will get it. I will get it. Just like that. Just take your time and just work it slow. You'll get it. So I almost have it all the way on now. And that's it. That's going to go down on top of here with that seal at the bottom. All right. Just like that. And this is going to go on top of that, creating an air box. And then we'll just tighten it all up. Just like that, okay? That was fairly simple. Tighten it up. And that's it. And that's the air filter. That's probably the easiest thing we've gotten done so far.